Hey guys, Joseph here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're doing a stormwater job for a customer here in Labrador. They have had roots all through their stormwater system, so we're actually about halfway done running them a new stormwater line to the curb. So this is what we've done already. There was the old stormwater line in there. We've already cut, excavated and ran the whole new stormwater line all the way to the curb. Still got a fair bit of cleaning up to do, as well as slicing that concrete and putting in a curb adapter there. Over this side of the property, as you can see, the old stormwater line there, just full of roots. Yeah, chockers, destroyed. And there's the new stormwater line that we've run up this side of the house, connecting to that downpipe there. As you can see, we still have a lot of cleaning up to do, so stick around. All right guys, all done. New stormwater line runs from that downpipe all the way in a nice straight line out to the curb. Done the concrete there for the curb adapter and put all the grass back there. Same on this side. New stormwater line runs from there underneath the grass. I'll put the concrete there for the curb adapter. All done.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.